How to use Clipchamp text-to-speech. So first, go to Clipchamp and then just open up a project. So for example, this is my blank project. So if you want to use the text-to-speech, you can just click on record and create here. And then click on text-to-speech here at the bottom. Next is from here, you can just choose your language and then choose your voice. There are a variety of voices here. And then if you want to hear the voice, you can just click on hear this voice.
Choose from a variety.
So you can see, and then you can see the advanced here as well. You can choose the vocal pitch and the pace. Next is this is where you can type your text. So for example, I'm going to type good morning, and then you can just click on preview if you want to hear it first before you save it here.
Good morning.
So you can see, and now once you're satisfied with that, you can just click on save. And now the voice is here. You can just play it.
Good morning.
So you can see, and that's how you use text-to-speech in Clipchamp. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.